Leeds International School, Primary 5, Buddhism, second term. The lesson is Digavapi Chaitya. End of this lesson, you will be able to understand about Digavapi Chaitya and why Digavapi Chaitya is important to Buddhists. Contents. Where is Digavapi Chaitya situated? Buddha's visit to Sri Lanka and King Saddhatissa. Children, there are a number of important Chaityas in Sri Lanka, like Ruwanweli Mahasaya, Mirisawatiya, Thooparamaya, Jetavanarama, so on. The Lord Buddha has visited most of these places. After that, kings and people built Chaityas in these places to worship. Okay, so do you know how many times Lord Buddha has visited Sri Lanka? Yes, the Buddha has visited Sri Lanka for 3 times. Do you have any idea about the first place? Yes, this is the first place where Buddha has visited. This is Mahiyanganaya. The Mahavamsa says that he sent Yakshas to an island named Giri to setting the background for the establishment of Buddhism in the country. Later on, where the Buddha knew that the Dhamma would prevail in Sri Lanka. Do you know to where Lord Buddha visits second time? The Buddha's second visit to Sri Lanka was made to Nagadeepa in the 5th years after attaining enlightenment. The Buddha visited Sri Lanka to settle a dispute between 2 brothers, where he settled a dispute between Naga kings Chulodara and Mahodara regarding a jeweled chair. Same day, King Maniakkika also came to Nagadeepa to visit Buddha. There, he invited the Buddha to Kelaniya. The Buddha made his third and final visit to the country, accompanied by 500 bhikkhus on a Vesak full moon Poya day. The visit was to Kelaniya. Not only these 3 places. When Buddha came to Sri Lanka, he visited 16 places. We call these 16 places as Solosmasthana. Let us see those 16 places that Buddha has visited in Sri Lanka. Mahiyanganaya, Nagadeepaya, Kelaniya and Sripadaya. Divaguhava, Digavapiya, Mutiyanganaya, Tissa Maharamaya, Sri Mahabodhi, Mirisawatiya, Swarnamali Chaitya, Thooparamaya, Abhayagiriya, Jetavanarama, Sela Chaitya and Kirivihara. So these are the places Buddha has visited in Sri Lanka. As well as there is a gatha to worship this Solosmasthana. It is Mahiyanganam Nagadeepan Kalyanam Padalanchanam දිවාගුහම් දීඝවාපී චේතියංච මුතියංගනම් තිස්ස මහා විහාරංච බෝධින් මර්ජ වට්ටියම් ස්වර්ණමාලී මහා චේති තූපාරාම භයාගිරිම් ජේතවනම් සේල චේතියම් තථා කාචර ගාමකම්. Today we are going to talk about Deegavapi Chethiya. Deegavapi Chethiya is an important Chethiya situated in Ampara district. The Chethiya is situated about 20 kilometers off Ampara in Eastern Province. This Chethiya was built by King Saddhatissa. King Saddhatissa was brother of King Dutugamunu. King Saddhatissa was the ruler of Deegavapi area. So he developed agriculture too. Today also we can see many paddy fields around this Chethiya. Before I told you, for the third time Buddha visited to Kelaniya. It was the 8th years after attainment of Buddhahood. The Lord Buddha arrived at Kelaniya together with 500 Arhat bhikkhus. So, when Buddha visited Kelaniya, he visited Deegavapi also with other 500 Arhats. At Deegavapi, the Buddha attained a state of tranquility for few moments with the Arhats. The Chethiya at Deegavapi was built on the spot where the Buddha attained a state of tranquility. Not only that, another important thing happened in Deegavapi Chethiya. Deegavapi Chethiya is also important because the last of the Arhat bhikkhus that existed in Sri Lanka, Arhat Maliyadeva, visited Deegavapi and preached the Dhamma. Arhat Maliyadeva preached the Dhamma in Deegavapi Chethiya. It is also said that 60 more bhikkhus attained Arhatship in this place. But nowadays, Buddhist people are not giving fullest attention to Deegavapi Chethiya. As Buddhist people, we should protect this Chethiya for future generation. Summary: Deegavapi Chethiya situated in Ampara district. It was built by King Saddhatissa. When Buddha visited Kelaniya for third time, he visited Deegavapi also. The last Arhat bhikkhu, Arhat Maliyadeva, preached Dhamma from this place.